how to enable, disable, lock edge panels, handle position on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. From here, we tap on display, then scroll down. Next, tap on edge panels. From here, we then scroll down and tap on handle. At the top here, tap on the lock handle position. Once it is locked, you will not be able to move it. So now I tap on the back key, and you can see if I try to move it, I won't be able to move the edge panels handle. And that's it. So you can turn it on or switch it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.